And we're back with another Cendrowski Business Minute, and we have Jody Mersinger with us again today. She's their tax expert, and we're talking about S Corps. So, Jody, what is an S Corp, and which type of businesses should make this selection?
An S corporation is a type of entity for tax purposes. It's a corporation that makes an election to be taxed as such. It is what's considered a flow-through entity where the income of the business is taxed by the shareholder. It's reported to the shareholder on a Schedule K-1 for purposes of the shareholder preparing his or her tax return. The main benefits of an S corporation are that there's only one level of taxation. S corporations are often used, Dave, to avoid double taxation. So generally, corporations are taxed, first the income's taxed at the corporate level, and then again, when it's distributed to the shareholder, it's taxed as a dividend. In an S corporation, it is not taxed at the corporate level, although some states do tax it, but it is taxed only at the shareholder level. And because of this, shareholders can take out so-called tax-free distributions because they've already paid tax on the income of the company when it is earned. Also, a benefit of an S corporation in comparison to a partnership, another type of entity, is that the flow-through income to the shareholder is not taxed for self-employment purposes, whereas in a partnership it is. So oftentimes a company will pay the minimum amount of reasonable compensation to a shareholder in order to avoid paying more payroll taxes than they need to. There are limitations regarding who can be owners and restrictions on the type of stock with regard to S corporations, but there are some good planning tools also with S corporations, such as ESOPs, which are a sophisticated vehicle used for succession planning on the exit of owners. And in an ESOP, it is tax exempt, and so the S corporation income to the ESOP as the shareholder is not taxable at all. So, in conclusion, although there are many benefits of an S corporation, we do always do an analysis for startups to determine what type of entity fits best for that company. And we also do this for existing companies because tax laws do change.
All right. So if you have a question for Jody or you need help with your tax planning, you can call Cendrowski Corporate Advisors at 866-717-1607. That's 866-717-1607. This has been your Cendrowski Business Minute. They are an accounting firm with a different perspective.